Good morning, children. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. Come on, let us continue the Geography Chapter 3 Minerals and Power Resources. Non conventional source of energy. First is solar energy. Moving on to the non conventional source of energy, most of the renewable sources of energy which can be replenished again are non conventional. For example, solar, wind, tidal are renewable under solar energy. Best thing is inexhaustible and non pollution, but it is expensive to use. Commonly used areas for solar or sun energy to be harnessed are solar heater, solar cookers, and solar dryers. Nowadays, solar panel, solar light, and solar electricity came into way. Wind energy. Now, wind energy either we experience in the coastal areas or on the region of the mountain pass. So, the region between where you have heavy wind that flow, wind energy that is harnessed. It is found in Netherlands, Germany, Denmark, UK, and Spain are some of the major regions you harness this wind energy. If not polluting in nature, low cost setup, it more safe and clean, but it produces lot of noise and harmful to the birds flying nearby areas. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy either of two types, fission reaction and fusion reactions. Fission reactions is the breaking up of particles, and fusion reactions collision of the two smaller particles to form bigger particles. So fusion reaction uses hydrogen, which is a part of renewable energy. On the other hand, fission reaction uses uranium or thorium, which is non-renewable in nature. Greatest producer of uranium is United States and Europe. In India, it's found in Rajasthan and Jharkhand. Thorium in India is found in monazite in Kerala. The major nuclear reactors in India are Kalpakam in Tamil Nadu, Tarapur in Maharashtra, Ram Pratap Sagar in Rajasthan, Narora in Uttar Pradesh, Kaiga in Karnataka. It emits a large amounts of energy, but it generates a huge amount of radioactive waste, is harmful to the surrounding areas and the wildlife in the nearby area. Geothermal energy. When the temperature of the Earth's interior is very high, kind of hot water that flows has hot spring from the underground. In India, we found in Manikaram in Himachal Pradesh, Puga Valley in Ladakh. USA is the largest geothermal power plant in the world. Beside that, it found in Philippines, Iceland, New Zealand, and Central America, where huge number of hot springs that are used. It is eco-friendly and always available, but usually it's far from the city. As a result, it is difficult to harness geothermal and tidal energy. Tidal energy, which comes from tides, during the flow, tides have energy that is harnessed. In India, it is in the Gulf of Kutch mainly. Beside India, it is in France and Russia, which harness tidal energy. Dams are built at the sea openings, and it's again non polluting and destroy nearly wildlife, mainly aquatic life, and it is difficult to harness. Biogas. Biogas, that is decay of dead animal and plants, and energy generated with animal dung and kitchen waste or the dead plants debris that goes in. So it is low in cost, easy to operate, but major drawbacks is causes greenhouse effect and that's one of the primary disadvantage. Again, saved energy is generated. So this is the major ideas followed for non-conventional source of energy. So children, with this we covered the major power resources. Inshallah, we'll meet in next video. Thank you.